Every year, the world produces more than 200 million TVs, enough to cover skyscrapers across Manhattan in New York City. But behind screens less than 1 inch thick lies one of the most advanced manufacturing systems on Earth. Inside billion-dollar factories, giant sheets of glass move through automated production lines where robots work with microscopic precision. Even a tiny dust particle landing in the wrong place can destroy an entire display. In this video, we'll explore how modern factories transform fragile glass sheets into the ultra-thin smart TVs found in millions of homes around the world. So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us. The evolution of television has transformed the entertainment industry. From bulky black and white TVs in the 1950s to today's ultra-thin 4K and OLED displays, modern TVs combine electronics, material science, and precision engineering on a massive scale. Today, some of the world's largest TV factories operate almost automatically 24 hours a day, producing millions of screens every year. Creating a modern TV is far more complex than simply assembling a screen and plastic body. Engineers must design systems capable of controlling millions of pixels, processing high-resolution video in real time, and fitting every component inside a body thinner than an inch. Inside R&D centers, CAD software is used to build detailed layouts for processors, speakers, cooling systems, and circuit boards. But the most difficult challenge is manufacturing the display itself. Modern LCD and OLED panels require microscopic precision, where even a tiny defect can ruin the entire screen. The manufacturing process begins with ultra-thin sheets of glass moving through automated washing and polishing systems that remove dust and impurities. After cleaning, the glass enters the photolithography stage, where millions of microscopic transistors are created directly on the surface. These transistors control every individual pixel on the screen. Next, automated coating systems apply RGB color layers before a liquid crystal layer is injected between the glass sheets. This material reacts to electricity and controls how light passes through the display to create images. Once the LCD panel is completed, factories begin producing the LED backlight system. High-speed machines place thousands of tiny LEDs onto circuit strips within minutes. These LEDs are mounted onto aluminum frames designed to manage heat during long hours of operation. Optical lenses and diffuser films are then installed to spread light evenly across the entire screen. At the same time, circuit boards move through automated machines capable of installing thousands of electronic components every hour. Processors, Wi-Fi modules, and HDMI systems are soldered onto the boards before testing begins. During final assembly, workers combine the LCD panel, backlight system, speakers, and mainboards into a complete TV body. After the rear cover is attached, every unit moves into strict quality testing where cameras scan for dead pixels, light leakage, and color problems. After software installation, the TVs are packaged with protective foam and accessories before entering global shipping networks. From microscopic transistors in fragile glass sheets to giant automated production lines operating day and night, modern TV manufacturing is one of the most advanced industrial processes in the world. In just a few days, thousands of separate components are transformed into ultra-thin, smart TVs capable of displaying billions of colors in real time. Behind every screen is a massive industry driven by precision engineering and global demand for entertainment.